Hey guys, I just want to let you know that my book, Food Trance, is now available on my website. It's about becoming a mindful eater. The book is really about getting out of the vicious cycles of dieting, sugar addiction, and the emotional and compulsive eating cycles. So it's not just a book, it's a workbook, which will be prompting you to answer questions and journal through some issues so that way you can get unstuck from these cycles. And it's really about developing a healthy, joyful relationship with food instead of fearing eating and overeating. So hope this helps, and let me know if you need anything. And until next time, I wish you the best of health.